Hello everybody, my name is Michael. Thanks so much for joining me again today. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a wonderful day so far. Today we're jumping back into Python crash course. Going to be taking a stab at try it yourself 6-7 and demoing this problem. Let's go ahead and get started. 6-7 people. Start with the program you wrote for exercise 6-1 on page 98. Make two new dictionaries representing different people and store all three dictionaries in a list called people. Loop through your list of people. As you loop through the list, print everything you know about each person. So we're going to go ahead and go to our 6-1 exercise and copy this into here. We need to make two new dictionaries representing different people. So we'll say this is person 0. We'll copy this and copy it down twice. We'll say this is person 1 here. All right, and we'll just edit the first name of person 1 to be James Smith. Let's make this age 25. And let's say this is Portland. All right. And then we'll make this person 2. We'll make first name here be Sarah Johnson. We'll do age 45. We'll say that she is in Dallas. All right. So now we have three dictionaries here. So we're going to have a list called people, which is a list. And inside of here, we can place person 0, person 1, and person 2. We could have also just wrapped these into a list rather than having them be variable insertions into here, but this is clean. So people is a list which contains Python objects, which are dictionaries, captured under these variables. Let's modify our for loop to, instead of using key value, right, this is a list we're looping over first. So let's just say for, person in people, and we can delete the dot items because we'll just automatically iterate over every item in the list. So for person in people, right, we know that person is a dictionary. We can use a nested for loop here to loop the dictionary now, which is person. So for key value in person dot items, just as we did initially, like in 6-1 here, we're going to call print and use an F string to insert the key and value. We can go ahead and just call a print at the end of this separation of every person to print a new line in between each person iteration. If we run this program, you can see we get this, where each dictionary of person is printed with a new line in between. First Joe Mama, next James Smith, and now Sarah Johnson. All right, this was Try It Yourself problem 6-7 from Python Crash Course. Thanks so much for being here, and I'll see you guys in the next one.